In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change default shipping profile on Etsy. If you want your listings to use a different shipping setup going forward, the quickest way is to update the shipping profile on your listings in bulk so that the profile you prefer becomes the one your shop consistently uses. Start by opening a new browser window and searching for Etsy. Click the official Etsy link to head to the site. Once you're there, log into your seller account. If you manage more than one shop, make sure you're in the correct one before you continue. After you're signed in, open your account menu and go to Account Settings. This is a good moment to confirm your shop details and make sure everything looks right. Next, navigate to your Shop Manager. You'll find it in the main navigation bar. It's the dashboard where you manage listings, orders, and settings. Inside Shop Manager, click Listings on the left-hand menu. This brings up all your items. You can filter by active, draft, or expired if you need to narrow things down. Select a listing you want to update. If you're setting a new default across your shop, it's efficient to select multiple listings at once using the checkboxes, since you can apply the same change in bulk. After you've selected one or more listings, look near the top of the page for the Editing Options button. It appears once items are selected. Click it to open a menu of bulk actions. From that menu, choose Change Shipping Profiles. A pop-up window will appear. In that pop-up, use the drop-down to select the shipping profile you want to use going forward. This should be the profile that reflects your current shipping strategy. Things like processing time, carriers, destinations, and rates. If you don't see the profile you're looking for, it likely means it hasn't been created yet. In that case, create it later and repeat this update so all listings point to the correct profile. When you've chosen the right profile, click Apply. Etsy will apply the change to all selected listings at once. Give it a moment to process, then refresh your listings page to confirm the update. From now on, those items will use the new shipping profile, which effectively sets your shop's day-to-day default for those products. For a consistent experience, repeat the selection process until all relevant listings are aligned with the profile you intend to be your standard. That's it. You searched for Etsy, logged in, checked your account settings, opened Shop Manager, went to Listings, selected your items, used editing options, chose Change Shipping Profiles, and applied the new profile. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!